Hey guys, thanks for checking out the channel. This is Ben with Company Grip. Maybe a few years ago you bought yourselves a Theremini thinking you were going to learn how to play it, and you never did. The only thing you actually did ever figure out was how to make weird alien sounds. Maybe that's all the Theremin's for anyway. Have you ever considered using it as a CV controller? This is something that's super easy to set up if you have other synthesizers that have control voltage inputs. You turn all the volume controls and everything off on the Theremini, just leaving it on. Go to the MIDI CV setup page. You're going to click through the first menu. Now when you get to the next menu, you see source, and you have three different options. You have note, volume, and pitch. Pitch and note will use the antenna, and the closer you get, the more voltage will go up. If you do pitch, you can get up to 10 volts. If you do note, you'll get a 5-volt selection. Now if you use the volume, you get the open metal plate on the side, and that works the opposite way. The closer you get, the voltage goes down, and with your hands off, it's completely open. So I'm going to select pitch with mine, because I want the most amount of control. For the next selection where it says range, I'm going to select 10 volts. Apply pitch correction shouldn't matter much, but I'm going to say no. I'm going to do a 0 offset, and I'll leave the scale at 100%. Root pitch won't matter much either. I just select something low. I did B1. And that's it, really. Now you're going to take a CV cable to connect your Theremini to your synthesizer wherever you would like those volts to be applied. In my case, I've got this Moog Sub 25, which doesn't have a lot of CV input, so I'm going to use the filter CV. So now when I play, as you can see here, no noise, but you could also use the cutoff knob. I just don't feel like it's as dramatic. If I go as fast as I can. Whereas this, I can really. What about if we turn the resonance up? That's pretty easy and pretty cool, right? All right, guys, thanks for checking out the video. If you got any comments, leave them behind. Any questions, glad to help. Please like and subscribe, and next time.